Hey everyone, welcome to my video. Thanks for watching. Today I'm making vegetable shrimp Alfredo pasta. I'm excited to share my recipe with you. So let's get started and make a delicious and creamy vegetable shrimp Alfredo pasta. Step 1. Cook the pasta. Cook the pasta in boiling salted water until al dente. Linguine or fettuccine work well. Do not overcook the pasta. Drain and set aside. Step 2. Sauté shrimp and vegetables. In a pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium-high heat. Cook shrimp until pink, about 3 minutes. Do not overcook shrimp. Add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic and cook for 2 minutes. Add 1 small chopped onion and cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. Do not brown onion. Add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. Add 1½ cups of mixed vegetables. Cook until tender. I am using corn, carrots, green beans, and seedless green peppers. You can use any vegetables you like. Step 3. Make the white sauce. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter over medium heat. Add 1½ tablespoons of flour and stir constantly. Gradually add 2 cups of milk, stirring constantly. Add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream and stir. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. Add half a teaspoon of salt. And a pinch of nutmeg powder. Add half a cup of Parmesan and stir until the cheese melts. Reduce heat and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Stir frequently until sauce is thick. Adjust sauce thickness to your liking. Step 4. Combine pasta, shrimp, and sauce. Step 5. Serve. Serve hot and enjoy. Enjoy your delicious vegetable shrimp Alfredo pasta. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider to subscribing to our channel. Thanks. Take care. Bye-bye.